Good morning, students. Today I am going to take distinguish between lesson 1, that is in volume 1, Himalayan rivers and the Peninsula rivers. Then the differentiate between Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. I have written this B, that means you have to learn the difference between the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats in India as well as in Tamil Nadu. Then Himadri and Himachal, West Coastal Plain and East Coastal Plain, Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island, GMT and IST, Southwest Monsoon, that is second lesson, Southwest Monsoon, Northeast Monsoon. So this question also you should learn for both the lessons, that is in India as well as in Tamil Nadu. Then tropical evergreen forest and deciduous forest, that also for both the lessons. And weather and climate. For the third lesson, rabi crop season or crop or season and kharif crop or season, marine fishing and inland fishing, food crops and cash crops, alluvial soil and red soil, unique crop and dual crop, well irrigation and tube well irrigation, and inundation canal and perennial canal. Then lesson 4, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals, agro-based industry and mineral-based industry, sugar industry and jute industry, renewable resources and non-renewable resources, non-conventional resources and conventional resources, and forest-based industry and agro-based industry. Lesson 5, print media and electronic media, waterways and airways, internal trade and international trade, import and export, roadways and railways, national highways and state highways, personal communication and mass communication, density of population and growth of population. Then lesson 6, that is volume 2, Marina Beach and Rameswaram Beach, and lesson 7, surface water and groundwater, food crops and non-food crops. See, I have written B. B means you have to learn the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats in India as well as in Tamil Nadu. Then the same thing for tropical evergreen forest and deciduous forest. And then for marine fishing and inland fishing also you should learn both in India as well as Tamil Nadu. Then I have marked orange. I have marked some question in orange, that is frequently asked questions. And so what is the main thing I want to tell, that for all the question you should write 2 points, at least minimum 2 points. If you know more than that you can write, but 2 points is very important. And the answer should be correct in both the sides. Only then you get a marks. If you have only one side correct answer and one side wrong answer, the mark will not be awarded. And another one, I have written book inside questions. See, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Island, GMT and IST. These are book inside question. At least you should learn 2 points from books. For example, GMT and IST if we take. So GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. IST means Indian Standard Time. GMT is calculated at 0 degree longitude of the world or central meridian of the world. IST is calculated the central meridian of India, that is 82.5 degree east of India. So these 2 points is enough for that. And even unique crop and dual crop is also. Unique crop means the only one crop is growing in a one particular season and 2 crops is growing in a particular season. And unique crop is, for example, rice, wheat, and dual crop is wheat with mustard. So these are unique crop and dual crop. So you should write at least 2 points. Please learn well. I hope you understand. Thank you.